Meow. Hey, 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 hey. I thought this Siamese. Okay, I should name her Silly. Okay, the Silly like making up with Orange Princess because she's just like licking her head and such. But now she's being silly again. This is the ice cream, sophisticated orange. I don't know what to call her. Okay, let's name her. I only have Orange Princess because she's been oldest here. I mean, like longest here. What's your name then? Silly and So-so. But I don't like it. So-so, why? No. Orangey. Sona. No. Nona. Nona is pretty. Nona. Nona is like Miss Indonesia. Huh? Look at her. Bunch of babies. And her also babies in my life. It's cool. No scratchy. Orange Princess is cool. It's all cool. Yeah, I wish I had babies. I mean real babies with husband, but there's never been any husband. I mean any man that serious enough and push it. Gosh. I'm cat sitter. Oh yeah, I wish there's like job like that here, but there's not here in Bali. There's so many like needed cat sitter. I want to move there, but well, it needs money. Such baby, comfortable. Of course, and he's gonna rub my belly. I have no girlfriend. I have no boyfriend. Ah, no scratch. She's clawing me out. Gosh.